Hello again, friends. Oh, let me show you something. After a long waiting, finally we have a really nice winter. This is the winter I recall from my childhood. Anyway, it's snowing and it's windy and it's -5 Celsius, of course. And we have to fix something today. Kind of crazy. And this is from the same series, Free Fixing for Friends. And this belongs to one of my friend's niece. She's like 2.5 years old, and because her bigger brother, which is like 8 years old, is playing guitar, she have to play too. So unfortunately she broke this. This is a ukulele, evidently, but she broke the neck. Of course, this is just a toy, a cheap something. And the truth is that for 2 years old kid doesn't really matter because they're not serious. Or maybe, who knows, in their minds. So I have to fix it. Why? Because first of all, the grandfather is my friend, and second, the little guy playing guitar, it's my student. So let's do it. Well, I never ever thought that I'm gonna fix something like this, but I don't see a problem here. I have a special glue that's for wood, Moment Express D2 something. First, I'm gonna clean the surfaces, apply glue, then I'm thinking about having a hole in here, right through the body, and down there you can see there is a reinforcement, a piece of wood, yeah, and it's like something like this, and then to have a screw long enough to cover this distance, and of course to keep everything in place. I have some tools around me, and this is gonna keep all the things together. Okay, let's try to do that. Let me start with cleaning the surfaces. I'm not sure what I have to do over here, but I'm confident that I have to reach the wood, or what's here, plywood or something, to let the glue doing the job. I mean, entering and bonding into the wood. Doesn't look like something serious here. It's more like rubber, evidently. They've been using kind of, how I feel it, it's like leather glue. I'm not worried about the scratching, they are not important. I'm gonna fix them with some karaoke colors. Okay. This feels like lime tree, very soft and light, but after my reflex, or instinct, let's call it, I have to reach the wood. Very important. Oh, by the way, you can't imagine the crying and screaming and the regret when the little girl saw this happening. Man, it was a disaster. The point is that she's crying for this particular one. She don't want any replacement. No, I want that one, I want that one. Okay, so it's very important to fix it. You know something, it's harder than I thought. Or I don't have the skills or the training to do this. You see, I'm pretty sure it's more than enough. Okay, now let me try to clean it here too. Okay, a little bit more. Whew. It's a very hard job. That should be enough. I lost my patience. Okay, cleaning. So forget about tools. Use your mind and your fingers. This one, it's looking good here. We have time to work because this kind of glue is curing in an hour or something, so it's no emergency having too much. But uniform cover, I think, will be the secret. like this. And once pressed, this will do a great bond. And all the extra will just run out. So let's marry these guys. I'm really hoping it's in the right position. Oh yeah, this one goes first. Let's see if it's enough. Oh, perfect. Oh, that's not enough. What am I gonna do? Crazy. This is nuts. Okay, so finally it's looking like I have to put holes. Yeah. All right. Let's clean this. No problem. But I need to find the position first. Fine, we are good. What's next? Let me find the screw. Is this enough? Yeah, it is. But this is good. But I need two washers. Okay, that should be enough. Come on. Oops. I'll deal with this later, but for now, just want to have this in place and to see it steady, and I'll apply the press here. Okay, you see the glue coming out of there, and there we go. Perfect. Look, the glue is squeezing. Perfect. I don't think it will be any problem anymore. I can even have this harder. You see, it's not getting any more because the screw itself it's turning, so I'm gonna keep it in place here. Come on, like this. This is more than enough. So guys, forgive me my ignorance, but this is the first time I'm doing something like this. Oh, I don't like it here. I really don't like it. This is not out. Probably a piece of wood will be even better. Let's see now. Is it tight? Not quite. Well, now it's tight. Oh yeah. That's perfect. That is perfect. Woo! What a job. What a job. Not quite. This is good. I can help it a bit here. Oh man, now it's fine. Well, for now nothing else to do but let it dry. We'll see in 24 hours if my project or my repair in fact is good for something. Let's try to clean this extra glue. Okay, next morning, 12 hours or something. Let's see. How is this little guy looking like? Huh? It's my first adventure being a luthier. If you don't know what that is, remember that Stradivarius was a luthier, making violins, famous violins. So who knows, maybe I'm the next ukulele master, huh? And what do you think about this, people? This is not only strong, this is indestructible. So I'm pretty sure if will be any more problem, for the little ukulele player. I'm pretty sure it will be not related to this guy. Never ending story. Okay, good enough. But I'm pretty sure I can take out the screw. It will be strong enough for keeping the neck in place. We are talking about little kids, so I don't want any kind of stress. Let's take this out. And this one goes out. And the screw is out. You know, I'm pretty sure this is more than solid. So we should have the thicker one in front. And it's, oh, yeah, I know it's a toy. But at least they could have the strings in a proper order. This is so funny. Oh my. Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, and the dreams you dare to dream, they all come true. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, push the like button. Thanks my sponsors, and until the next time, don't forget, have fun. See you, bye.